In this video, I'm going to show you just how much brighter the GTR Lighting Ultra 3 is than your original halogen bulbs on your pre-facelift 5th generation 4Runner. I'm going to show you not only how bright, but just how well the beam pattern is. Super excited to show you guys the output of the Ultra 3 because it blows everything else that we've ever tested at Headlight Revolution for the last decade out of the water. The 3rd generation of the popular GTR Lighting LED bulbs provide even more darkness-destroying output than ever before. Unlike its competitors, every aspect has been carefully considered, resulting in a multifaceted masterpiece that leaves no detail behind. It's equipped with custom LEDs. It's a powerhouse that ensures unparalleled performance, while its optimized positioning guarantees efficient light distribution, eliminating the wastage. GTR Lighting is committed to building a durable LED bulb. It's 100% potted and waterproof, ready to conquer anything. It's also super compact with an internal driver, providing 4,700 lumens of luminosity output with effortless installation. It's also backed by a lifetime warranty. It's a bulb that outshines and outlasts the competition. Just remember, LED headlight bulbs are not street legal in the USA, and we advise you to not drive with these installed on public roads. In off-road settings, these are fine to use, but using bulbs this bright on the street may be uncomfortable to other drivers. This is a reflector-based headlight, which means that it's got a bunch of mirrors inside of it, and the light projecting bounces off the mirrors and then gives you that light output. And it needs to have the light put in the exact same spot as your original bulb. Your original bulb, that H11 bulb, uses a wire-wound filament, and that wire-wound filament's really small. Thankfully, the Ultra 3 replicates that really small wire-wound filament, so then you get a very good beam pattern. It's not scattering the light all over like a multi-sided bulb or one of the cheaper ones you can get off of Amazon. So let's get to the light outputs. What I'm gonna do is back the vehicle up about 25 feet away from the wall. I'm using a digital lux meter to measure the actual usable brightness at the brightest point on that wall, just to compare both the halogen lights, the Ultra 2, and the Ultra 3. So this is what it looks like with your stock halogen lights. As you can see, it's not very bright looking, and you got that ugly looking color, that dated color. I measured 320 maximum lux on low beam, and I'm gonna treat this as the benchmark when I install the Ultra 2. This is what the Ultra 2 looks like. Right off the bat, you're gonna notice it's a much brighter white color. It looks a lot better when you're looking at your vehicle, and it looks a lot better when you're driving down the road. I measured 1,601 maximum lux. That's 400% brighter than stock from the bulb that came out years ago, the GTR Lighting Ultra 3. This number looks made up. It's 2,337. I assure you, I redid this 3 times because the last thing I want to do is be wrong when I tell you this bulb was 630% brighter than your original bulb. This is the brightest LED bulb I have ever found. It's that beautiful bright white color, but you're gonna notice it's a little bit more warm white than the Ultra 2. On high beam, I measured 889 maximum lux for your stock halogen. The beam pattern's actually pretty good, but again, I still don't like that color at all. This is the Ultra 2. I measured 2,541 maximum lux, which is 186% brighter. The Ultra 2 has always been one of the best bulbs in the market, even still. So the Ultra 3, I expected it to be pretty crazy, and it is. I measured 4,760 maximum lux. This on high beam is 434% brighter than your stock halogen bulb. This is a no-brainer. It also looks a heck of a lot better than those dingy yellow bulbs. It brings your 5th gen 4Runner into the present time. It's no longer outdated. Now that you've decided that the Ultra 3 bulb is right for your 4Runner, I want to show you guys how to install it. It is super easy. All you need is basic hand tools. We're gonna pop the hood first. Let's go to the passenger side first. You'll notice on the back side of the headlight, you can simply see your halogen bulbs. If they've been on a long time, they are extremely hot. Wait for them to cool, reach your hand in, turn it counterclockwise and pull it away. Disconnect the connector and then connect your Ultra 3 bulb. We're gonna do low beam first, which is on the outside, that's an H11. Do the same thing for your high beam. Reach in, turn the bulb counterclockwise and pull it away. Disconnect the connector, grab your Ultra 3 bulb, connect it to your factory wiring, and then install it the same way the old one came out. The driver's side is the exact same. It's a little bit harder to squeeze your hand in there because the battery's in your way, but you can still do it no problem. Now, if all you came for was upgrading your low beam and high beam, you've done that. It's the simplest install you could possibly ask for. But if you want to upgrade the entire front end of your vehicle, now's the time to do it. The fog lights on here is also an H11 halogen bulb. Replacing that will just match the colors, but also give you that maximized brightness out of your fog lights. And ultimately, it's just gonna complete your entire driving experience on the front end of your vehicle. To install it, it's not that hard either. On the driver's side, you can reach your hand up. It's really hard to show on camera. You can reach your hand up and turn your bulb counterclockwise to remove your halogen bulb, plug in that bulb, lock it in place, and you're good to go. The passenger side fog light's a little bit more tricky because you got that water reservoir. I like to remove this one 10mm bolt and then just push your hand up towards the fog light. You'll be able to feel it from there. I like to unplug it first and then turn the bulb counterclockwise and remove it. Then install your Ultra 3 bulb by turning it clockwise and connecting that connector. If your vehicle's been lifted or have different tires on, you might want to dial in your adjustment. Simply back up your vehicle to a flat surface and use a screwdriver. Reach it down at the top of this headlight, turn it clockwise or counterclockwise to raise or lower your headlight output. Watch our other video where we go completely in depth on how to fully dial in your aim if you really want to maximize your performance. Now the Ultra 3 is clockable, which means that if for some reason when you purchase this bulb and you lock it in place, it's sitting like this at an angle or something, you don't want that. You want to adjust it so that way it's sitting up like this. You want the LEDs to shoot out. You don't want them to be up and down. You don't want this bulb to sit at an angle like this. Generally, rule of thumb, keep it like this and you're gonna get a really good light output out of that reflector headlight housing. If for whatever reason one of the bulbs do not turn on, simply unplug it, turn it 180 degrees and plug that connector back in. They are polarity specific, which means they need to be plugged in a certain way. That's really all it takes to upgrade the headlights on your vehicle. This is undoubtedly the brightest LED bulb in the world. Watch our other video where we tested against all of the most popular brands out there that are still relevant today. And also, this is a 4Runner. Go to headlightrevolution.com and you'll notice that we pretty much do a ton of digging to try to find the best lights for all 4Runners. Type in that year, make, and model and you'll see everything that's truly tested and worth putting on your vehicle when it comes to lighting.